I've got to do a handle for this knife. A bit of redwood. So all I've done so far is just rounded the fronts. Because you've got to do the fronts. I know that bit. My brain said you've got to do the fronts because once that's glued on the knife, you're not going to be able to get at that. So what I'm going to do, whatever the knife is now, you're going to see. What we're going to do is take an half-hour break so I can find the knife. There is some blinding kid. I'm gonna drill 3 holes in there, in this one. Then we're gonna dash some glue on there, and then we're gonna dash some glue on the other one, and then we're gonna stick the two together. Then we're open to rivet with something or other. I'm not drilling 3 holes in this one because once you glue it on, then you know where to drill the 3 holes. Huh. Clever, isn't it? Clever. Not my invention. I'm just copying somebody else. So up here somewhere. Oh, here we fucking go again. Here is 2-pack. Now, I've got to move the camera off this because you think I'm fucking nuts talking behind a sander. Another thing we got to do is a new boom ham. We got to make a new boom ham because summer's coming, and hopefully we'll get back onto the interesting videos. We're gonna 2-pack up, stick that on there with them holes like that. All right. Then we'll take off the waste if I can get down there and get to the other machine. Let's mix up a bit of 2-pack. It was bought for this specific reason, and if I was you, I'd just pull that back a bit when you finish with it. Just pull it back a bit, take the pressure off the nozzles, because it tends to want to continue on. You come back, you got a big fucking mess. Get something to stir it with, in this case a faithful pencil, and we'll stir that up. Ooh, will you look at that? Vince, will you look at that? That'll do. Now you can spread this out however you want to spread it. We're just going to spread it like this, because I'm the boss here today. I don't want to waste it, in other words. You see my handle is slightly yellow because we let somebody out here with a spray tin. So that's covered. So we're going to stick a handle on there, like that. Now you can waste it. And fill in any way you want to fill in. Good pencil, Anna. I think it's pointless putting it down in that hole actually, but right. Then stick that on there. Then wipe it off your finger. Then have a look at it and have a laugh. And then we are going to clamp it together like that. In my vice. You can't do it in the vice, you've got a fucking big sander in there. Hang about, let's take the sander route. I'll be honest with you, this boom man, Christ, it's gotta be 8, 9 years old. Get your said pieces of wood. Make sure they're looking pretty, which they are. I want the silver showing through if possible. We're going to clamp that in there for just double check and trebly, and then give it. Don't yet. That'll do. Then give it, and you should get a little bit of squirt back. So we want to leave that in there for a while now, so we'll leave that in a while and then we'll start shaping it off. So we now got 3 holes, but these are obviously too wide, too bigger. You want to wave a knife at somebody. Very nice smell. It's a very hard wood. Oh, is it? Yes, it is. I need some sort of line to go with. Good morning, time for coffee. That's Vince, or Vincent. And that was our Robert. What we want is some sort of circle. It's a bit noisy, I know, but I'm quite happy with that. I'm the type of guy who is always on the road, yeah. Wherever I lay my head, that's my home. But let's just see what this would mushroom like first. So let me just make that about that big for a minute. I want to see what this would mushroom like. That mushroom quite nicely. We got that sort of a shape. That's going to go down in there. Like that. Then we're going to chop off the top to a degree of 3/16, like what I said. Right, that's in there, boss. That's in there, boss. Alright, super glue and some red dust. That's just super glue. I'm going to sprinkle some red dust on there now. Red dust in your eye. Do the other side. And as you see, we'll put a finer sheet. We'll put a finer sheet paper, and then we'll get the town here. I think you're supposed to do it with wet fingers. Right, we'll give that. We'll give that 10 minutes. Can I stick that in there? Yes, you can. Rub it in there. Give that 10 minutes. Make sure the top is on that. Make sure it's out of sight, because when the kids come, you don't want the kids playing with super glue. Which way is your arrows flying? I'm quite happy with that. But I'm the boss, so don't forget health and safety. By all means, it's nothing to do with me, but it's to do with you. Copy my ideas, but don't copy my methods. And my methods are completely utterly strange compared to some people out there. But you know, you've got to do it your way. If you're not doing it your way, it's not worth people watching. Okay. My sander didn't blow up. I'll do that again and pretend it didn't do it. Huh? My sander didn't blow up. Everything's working fine. I'm now going to shut the heater off. It's Thursday. It's Thursday Night Live. Are you coming tonight, Thursday Night Live? Good laugh, usually. Now I gotta go and get this off my finger, because that is fucking weird. It's like... it's just weird. Okay. I hope you join us tonight. We tend to have a laugh, giggle,